have a young little person in your life that loves to cook and bake alongside you, it's such a great nurturing activity to do with the children in our lives. I know when my son Gabriel was little, he always helped me cook, and it developed such amazing life skills for him that now at 23 he can cook up his own recipes, doesn't even need to follow a preset recipe. He just knows how to blend flavors together and cook for himself, and he really does an amazing job. So I think developing those life skills at an early age is super important. So I love this new muffin making set that we now have, and it comes with, let me pull it all out so you can see. So it comes with this great mixing bowl. It's kid friendly, it's light, it has a handle for those little hands, it's got a pouring spout so it's easy to move the batter out. I really like that it's a nice large size. It comes with a kid-size scraper so they can mix and scrape things out. It has their very own silicone muffin pan. You know, you can use this for cupcakes as well. It comes with 2 baking mats, and it has this awesome kid-friendly decorator. I don't know if you can see the accordion shape, but it's really easy for little hands to use. And it comes with 2 decorating nozzles. So it comes with this round hole and also this one that is more of a star design. That's going to be so much fun for them when they're decorating their cupcakes and muffins. And then it has 2 recipes in it that are kid-proven and tested and easy for them to do. And just think of the memories you'll make when you are giving this gift to one of your little people in your life, and they feel empowered to cook for themselves and make something that everybody is oohing and awing over because it tastes so good. So think of who this might make a great gift for, and share it with them for their birthdays or Christmas or any time that you just want an at-home activity that is fun for your kids to do.